Happy birthday, Aya the owner. Beautiful, gorgeous, legendary Nollywood actress, Mercia Igbe, popularly known as Aya the owner. Happy birthday. We wish you long life and prosperity, many happy return. May your day belong in the land of the living. Happy 48th birthday. May this new age and new year be full of testimony for you as you are stepping into new year, new chapter. It shall be a new beginning, new open door, new financial breakthrough for you. You will never know better yesterday by the special grace of God. Happy birthday. We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Aya the owner. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you today. May the good Lord bless you. Sana Elua Yegemi. Sana Elua Yegemi. Sana Elua Yegemi. Sana Elua Yegemi.